I'm so excited. There was one trend that came that I saw coming for spring, and it's corduroy. And I got it, and I'm very excited. It's 100% cotton corduroy. You know, the only thing about corduroy is just cut it all in the same direction. Very easy to do, but I've got some beautiful corduroy and coordinates, and today it's $14.99, and I couldn't be happier. So this is the best colors. This is a brown. It's a beautiful dark brown, and also you can wash it. Wash it in Coca-Cola if you want it softer. I don't know if you want it softer. It's pretty soft. But anyway, we've got to start with the brown. And I put in some really pretty pieces that were meant to go with. Corduroy pants are the biggest thing that they're talking about. Although jean jackets, bomber jackets, those short little things are also being done in the corduroy. So it's adorable, absolutely adorable. And this is a perfect time to make it happen. So 100% cotton. It's a woven brown. The next we have, I just put in a coordinate to go with it, kind of a leopard and a paisley to go together. This is a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. Perfect for a little top or whatever to go with. This is a red, and it is I'm going to say it's an orange red. It's an orange red. It's really beautiful and so soft. I put in this viscose to go with it, but you can see this has blue red in it and it blends really beautifully. But anyway, this is a lovely orange red. It is 100% cotton corduroy. It's a woven. Then I put this viscose to go with it. I love these little roses, little cherry pick roses there. Beautiful viscose. This is a woven. So this is the look, is a very soft blouse with a pair of corduroy pants. You can do a little gathering. We could do the new Eileen Fisher pant. The linen one would be beautiful, the EF pant. So viscose woven. And then this one is a kind of a tan color. And then I put this viscose with it also. Isn't that beautiful together? I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is, again, 100% cotton woven, and then this is viscose stretch in both directions. And again, it's all $14.99 today, you guys. So, oh my goodness. It's so much fun to just be new, be fresh. Happy sewing. Happy Monday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.